EcoFlow is a brand specializing in portable energy storage, with its products widely adopting USB-C ports for charging and discharging. The cable supports a 40 gigabits per second data transfer rate, 8K at 60 Hz ultra-high definition video output, and 240 watts power delivery, making it suitable for charging high-power devices. It also supports connecting to 8K displays for video output or to high-speed storage devices for data transfer. The front of the packaging features the product name, appearance, and key selling points. The back of the packaging highlights the use scenarios and key selling points. The package only contains the data cable. The cable is wrapped in a gray and black aramid fiber braided exterior, which is both wear-resistant and dirt-resistant, enhancing its texture and feel. The connectors feature a metal casing with a painted surface. The casing is embossed with the EcoFlow logo. The other side is marked with 40 gigabits per second and 240 watts. The USB-C male connector features a full pin design internally. The close-up of the cable's braiding. The length is about 100 centimeters, 39.37 inches. The weight is about 42 grams, 1.48 ounces. ChargerLAB Power ZKM003C shows that it is equipped with an e-marker chip from CPS. The cable supports a power transmission capability of 50 volts 5 amps and a data transfer capability of USB 4 Gen 3, 40 gigabits per second. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Cut open the metal casing of the connector, revealing an internally molded, single-piece injection structure. The interior is filled with a hard sealing adhesive to protect the PCB and cable cores. After removing the hard sealing adhesive, a layer of hard sealant remains on the front of the PCB, protecting the e-marker chip. The other side of the PCB has no components, and both sides where the cable cores are soldered are clean and well executed. After removing the metal casing of the USB-C male connector, the central area of the pins and the connection points with the PCB are both reinforced with injection molding to enhance strength. The front ends of the pins have been gold-plated for improved conductivity and durability. The e-marker chip is from CPS, model CPS8821F, which supports full USB 4 functionality and is fully compatible with USB 3.2 Gen 1/Gen 2, USB 3.1, and USB 2.0. It supports commands like Discover Identity, Discover SVID, Discover Modes, Enter Modes, and Exit Modes, and also supports manufacturer info packets, making it easier for manufacturers to store related information within the cable. The CPS8821F also supports host authentication and, for PD 3.1 high-output voltage applications, the series has enhanced electrostatic discharge and high-voltage pin resistance. This allows the CC and CON to provide 33 volts high-voltage protection and integrates detection protection for VBUS and CC/CON short circuits. After removing the metal casing of the other connector, the internal design is identical. After removing the black plastic, the interior is also filled with hard sealing adhesive. The central area of the PCB front has reserved solder pads. A view of the back side. The internal pins of the male connector are also gold-plated for enhanced conductivity and durability. When the cable is cut open to observe the cross-section, it reveals an internal shielding mesh and multiple wire cores, with some of the wire cores designed in a twisted pair configuration. The outer casing of the cable is made of TPE material. The shielding mesh is cross-braided for enhanced durability and protection against interference. Beneath the shielding mesh, there is an additional layer of shielding aluminum foil. In addition to the wire cores, the cable also includes a tensile strength wire. The twisted pairs are wrapped in shielding aluminum foil of different colors for enhanced protection and organization. The blue, purple, gold, and silver twisted pair shielded wires are ultra-high-speed differential signal lines. The white and green twisted pairs are USB 2.0 data lines. The two red wire cores are positive power lines, while the remaining wires include the CC, SBU, VBUS, and other signal cores. The two red positive power wire cores are made of pure copper wire for optimal conductivity. A close-up of the purple VBUS wire core. Close-up of the negative wire core. Close-up of the gray CC1 wire core. Close-up of the yellow SBU1 wire core. Close-up of the blue SBU2 wire core. Green D+ wire core used for USB 2.0 data transmission. White D- wire core used for USB 2.0 data transmission. 4 pairs of twisted shielded cables for ultra-high-speed differential signal transmission, with internal blue and white wire cores. Close-up of the tensile cotton threads. Well, those are all components of the EcoFlow 240W USB4 fast-charging braided cable.